In this video, we'll be comparing HostGator versus Namecheap to help you decide which offers better shared hosting plans. Both of these hosting providers have been around for years, but which one truly stands out when it comes to performance, pricing, and features? Stick around till the end of the video because I'll reveal a better alternative for shared hosting that could change the way you think about hosting your website. Let's dive in. First up, pricing. HostGator's shared hosting plans start at a very competitive rate, around $2.75 a month. For this price, you get a basic plan with one website, a free domain for the first year, and a $100 Google Ads credit. Namecheap's starting plan is slightly cheaper, around $1.98 per month, which could make it more appealing for those on a tighter budget. But here's the kicker. Namecheap's lowest tier doesn't include free SSL, while HostGator does. And SSL, as you probably know, is crucial for security and SEO. So, while Namecheap may save you a couple of bucks up front, you might end up paying extra for SSL or dealing with security risks down the line. Next, let's talk about performance. HostGator is known for its solid uptime and speed, typically hitting around 99.9% uptime with fast loading times. That's crucial for keeping your visitors happy and your SEO ranking high. Namecheap isn't too far behind, but some users have reported slower load times, especially during high traffic periods. Their uptime is usually good, but it can fluctuate more than HostGator's. Now, customer support. When you run into issues, you want a provider that offers fast, reliable customer service. HostGator's 24/7 live chat and phone support are generally solid, though response times can sometimes be longer during peak hours. Namecheap also offers 24/7 support, but its reputation is a bit more mixed. Some users report quick and helpful responses, while others have had to wait a while for assistance. It's a bit of a gamble, so if you're someone who needs constant support, you might lean towards HostGator here. The next thing to consider is features. HostGator offers unlimited storage and bandwidth on most of its plans, which is great if you expect your website to grow quickly. Namecheap, on the other hand, does offer unlimited bandwidth on its most expensive shared hosting plan, but the cheaper plans limit storage. For basic sites, this might not be an issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you plan on scaling your website. And here's another thing to consider: scalability. HostGator gives you easy access to higher tier plans like VPS and dedicated hosting once you outgrow shared hosting, making it easier to grow your site. Namecheap does offer upgrades as well, but they're not as smooth or flexible as HostGator's, especially when it comes to transferring your website to a bigger plan. So, if long-term scalability is important to you, HostGator might be the better bet. Finally, when it comes to extras, HostGator throws in a free domain for the first year, plus a $100 Google Ads credit. Namecheap also offers a free domain, but they give you a WHOS protection service for free, which helps keep your personal information private. This can be a big deal for privacy-conscious website owners. So, which one is better for shared hosting? Honestly, it depends on your specific needs. HostGator's solid performance, better customer support, and scalability options make it a reliable choice for most users. Namecheap is a strong competitor with its lower pricing and extra privacy features, but it doesn't quite match HostGator in terms of overall reliability and extras. But here's the thing, both of these options are good, but after trying all of them myself, I've found a better alternative for shared hosting that offers better value, faster performance, and a more streamlined experience. If you want to get the best possible hosting for your website, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while HostGator and Namecheap both offer solid hosting plans, the alternative I'm recommending will give you a better experience. Check it out and see for yourself.